chew, palatal, and 2 is cerebral, 2 is dental. What is left out? Labial, lips. So, will come. And now also looks like ta, but it is not. You see, the round is there. Okay. Then the fifth class. Fifth class, consonants are pronounced with the help of lips. Therefore, they are labials. Right? Touching the lips means not that your lips are in together locked. No, not like that. It is round. That is what it is. Round. The first letter of the fifth class, say pa. 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 It touches and then open. Pa. Pa. See, if you see how you pronounce the word, this letter, the sound pa, you are having mouthful of air and then letting it out. Pa. Pa. It's the same thing, right? You are having your mouthful of air and then you are letting it out. Pa. 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 Mahaprana. How many of you know Hindi? Okay. In Hindi it is fa, but here pa. It is, somebody say no, somebody phalam, drishta phalam, punya phalam. But is Hindi influences, therefore phalam we say. It is phalam. There is no fa in Samskrtam. Okay. Pa. Again. Pa. 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 Then the third one. Ba. 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 Tattva bo. That what is bo? That ba only. Bo, when you say bo. Bo. What is that in the bo? What is the vowel in bo? Bo. O. O is there. And the consonant ba is there. Consonant and the vowel sound o, the consonant that ba and o becomes bo. Tattva bo, right? Daha. Daha is what? Fourth class, fourth letter. Mahaprana. The dha, dharma, I said no? The same dha. So, tattva bo daha. Bodha. Bodha means knowledge, not bodha. Bodha. Bo is alpa prana. Dha is mahaprana. Right? See the difference. It is not bodha. It is not bodha also. You cannot emphasize both. Bo, alpa, dha, maha. Alpa, maha, both are there. And this combination will come and chanting it will, you will see it more. You follow me, all of you? Right? Understand? Yes? No? Yes. Okay. I'm just showing the name itself. You can take the name of the 108 course, Tattva Bodha. Right? The next letter, after ba, the next one, fourth letter of the fifth class, bha. Say bha. Again? Bha. Bha. Bhagavad Gita. What is a bha in Bhagavad Gita? See, that is the fifth, that is the bha, fourth letter. Fourth letter I am just writing here. It is written like this. What is this? Bha. And what is this letter? Now you know, you can read two letter of the title, Bhagava. Bhaga. Bhaga. Bhaga is a big thing. Bhaga. Who is Bhaga? Bhagavan. Bhaga means the sixfold Shakti is called Bhaga. Bhaga means sixfold Shakti. Aishvaryasya samagrasya Viryasya yashasasriyaha Jnana then Jnana and Vairagya Shannam Bhaga iti Rana. The Bhaga is the combination of sixfold Shaktis. Who has that in full total measure? Only Bhagavan has got. That's why it's called Bhagavan. 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 Therefore, Bhaga, Bhagavad Gita. Bhagavan's Gita. Therefore, Bhagavad Gita. Right? So now you can read the two letter of the word Bhagavad Gita. It's a great thing, okay? So improvement. You can identify, right? Bhaga. Okay. Now, so the last one now. The nasal. Ma. Say Ma. Simple. Now I will write the letters, all the letters. Fifth class, they are called, the shortest term is Pu. And the sound comes from the lips. The first letter is Pa. The first letter is, say Pa. And the second letter, you see, you write like this. Pa. Pa. And the third one, you write like this. This stroke is important. Ba. Again? Ba. And the fourth one, Bha. Say Bha. And the fifth one, nasal, it looks like the fourth one, but there is a difference. You see the difference between these two. Bha and Ma. Right?
Could you do the third one again?
Third one. It is. You will see in the slide now. Pa. Pa. Ba. Bha. And the fifth one, Ma. Clear now? So let us do it from the beginning. Ka. Kha. Ga. Gha. Na. Cha. Cha. Ja. Jha. Nya. Ta. Tha. Da. Dha. Na. Ta. Tha. Da. Dha. Na. Pa. Pha. Ba. Bha. Ma. Right? Say now. Ka. Cha. Ta. Ta. Pa. What's the order? Vertical order. You're reading vertical order. All the first letter of all the consonants. Now the second letter. Kha. Cha. Tha. Tha. Pa. Second letter. All Mahapranas. Then third one. Ga. Ja. Da. Da. Ba. Third letter. Then the fourth one. Gha. Ja. Dha. Dha. Bha. Then fifth one. What are the fifth one? All are nasal. Na. Nya. Na. Na. Ma. Right? So with this, they have finished all the classes. All the class consonants. How many classes? 5. Each class having 5 consonants. Therefore, 25 consonants you know. So you write practices minimum 25 times in your room. Ka, ka, ka. When you write, you have to say it loudly. Ka, 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 gha, gha. Say it loudly, okay? Say it loudly and practice. Right? Anything else you want to ask? I don't want to teach anything new. Semi-verbals and sibilants we will see in the next class. That's okay. Round is there, round is not there. You can put round. Yeah. Any doubts? Then I'll give you a test. Okay, I'll ask then. 5 minutes is there, I have to spend by. Okay, I'll ask only the particular student, the first student will answer, okay? Others should not answer. Yeah? What is that? Yeah. Don't say it loudly, okay? I'll ask. Malini ji. should know this. It will become, later you will keep on adding, so it becomes difficult for you to, pick up. So now you have to practice. What is this? What is Akashi? Huh? Ba? No, this is a vowel, okay? Vowel. It is not here. You will not see in the board. It's a vowel. It's a vowel. What is that? A. Right? And this you all will be knowing. And what is this? Au, not auha. Au. What is that? Au. Okay. Now I will write word. You will read the word now. Okay. What is this? I hope all of you are totally new to Samskritam, except maybe one or two, right? Yes? Ready for first time, right? Okay, good. What is this? And what is this? Read together. Again? 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 Say aja. This is short or long?
Short.
Therefore, a. And this is ja. It's just no sa. Ja. A, ja. Aja. What is that? What is that? Aja. And what is this? Read now. Gaja. Gaja. Aja. Gaja. Aja means goat. Gaja means elephant. Now you can read Aja. Gaja. Don't say Aja. No, Alpa Prama. Similarly, not Gaja. Gaja. What is that? Gaja. Then, what is this letter? What is that? Gha. What is that? Read. Ghata. What is that? Ghata. Ghata. Pot. Ghata is, yeah. Yes.
So Aja means goat and Brahmin?
Sorry?
Aja also means Brahmin.
Aja doesn't mean Brahmin.
It says in the book that there is Brahmin. It says in the book.
Which book? Glossary?
Oh, that's Ajaha.
No, no. Ajaha means goat.
But it's
Maybe the synonyms are there. See, Ajaha also means, other meanings are there. That which is not born is called. That which is not born is called Ajaha. You will say in Gita, Ajo Nitya Shashvatoyam Puranaha.
in this book,
Ajaha.
it's translating that as Brahmin.
Brahman.
Not Brahmin, Brahma. That's what? Na jayate. That which is not born. What is not born? Brahma, Ishvara. Brahman, not Brahmin. B-R-A-M means Brahman. Yeah, that's what I said. Ajo Nitya Shashvatoyam Purana. Ajo means that which is not born. Aja. I am not writing Visarga. That's okay. This colon is not there. That we will see later. That comes later. Now, without any, no addition, no appendum here. No addendum. We are not adding anything to it. Just reading as it is. Okay, then the next one. Read this. What is this? And this is? Read now. So you can read now, you see. You have learned only, not even 33 consonants. You have learned only 25 consonants. Now if you know vowels and consonants, simple words you can read. Right? And this already I told. What is this? Bhaga. What is that? Bhaga. Okay. We will see more words and you will read, right? The class. I will ask you to read. So with this, our class consonants is completed. Then we have to see non-class consonants, semi-vowels and sibilants. That we will do in the next class. And also the consonants, vowels combination. There you will see. Yes.
How do I know the difference in the pronunciation of this ba and the semi-vowel ba?
Which one?
Ba?
Ba?
Yeah, and the semi-bubble. That is without the...
That we'll see.
Okay.
Yeah.
What's the meaning of gata?
Which one?
Gata.
Gata. Gone. Going. Gone. That's meaning gata. Not going, gone. Gone. Past tense. Past part. Yeah, it's past tense. Okay? So we'll stop here. Yeah. We'll stop here, we'll continue. So you want to have class in the afternoon 3:15 to 3:45 to 4:15?
Yeah.
Yes? Please come. I'm going to teach you the same thing, nothing new. But those who find not difficult, those who need further assistance or clarification or want to do more practice, you can come here. I'm available, I can come 3:45. So make these are basics very strong. Okay? Then we can proceed. Very important. Yes. So we'll stop here. Om Purnamadav Purnamidam Purnat Purnamudachyate Purnasya Purnamadaya Purnamevavashishyate. Om Shanti Shanti Shanti. Hari Om Shri Gurubhyo Namaha. Hari Om. Here too you can see this.